Here is a harsh biological truth you are not ready for. If you're staring at the ceiling at midnight, unable to sleep, you do not have insomnia, you have jet lag. And you are giving it to yourself every single day without leaving your house. We know the feeling. It is 11:30 p.m. Your body is exhausted, your muscles ache, but your brain, it is wide awake. You are tired but wired. Psychologists and doctors will tell you to put your phone away. They tell you to lower the lights. They tell you to meditate. You do all of that, and you still can't sleep. That is because they are looking at the wrong end of the timeline. Most people think sleep is something that happens at night, but here's the mistake. The chemical reaction that puts you to sleep does not start at 10 p.m. It started, or it should have started, at 8 a.m. this morning. Here is the mechanism your brain is hiding from you. Sleep is not a switch you flip. Sleep is a timer. Inside your head, you have a master clock called the SCN. Its only job is to release melatonin, the sleep hormone, exactly 14 to 16 hours after it wakes up. But here is the painful part. This clock is solar-powered. It does not care what time your iPhone says it is. It only cares about light. But here is where modern life has completely broken your biology. To start the timer, your eyes need to see a massive explosion of light, about 10,000 LUX of brightness. But when you wake up and stay inside your house, you are only getting about 500 LUX. Your brain is confused. To your master clock, 500 LUX looks like darkness. So you wake up, you drink your coffee, you go to work. But biologically, your timer is still paused. Your brain thinks it is still nighttime. It isn't until you drive to work or step out for lunch at noon that the timer finally starts. So do the math. If your timer starts at noon and it needs 16 hours to release melatonin, your body won't physically be ready to sleep until 4 a.m. You aren't an insomniac. You just shifted your time zone by 4 hours because you didn't get light in the morning. If that hit you, good. Because this is dangerous. Trying to force yourself to sleep at 11 p.m. when your timer hasn't gone off is like trying to land a jumbo jet without landing gear. You can crash the plane, but you cannot land it smoothly. If you want to fix your sleep, stop obsessing over your nighttime routine. Fix your morning. You need the Optical Anchor Protocol. Within 30 to 60 minutes of waking up, you must go outside. Not through a window. Glass filters out the signal. You need to be outside. If it's sunny, 5 minutes. If it's cloudy, 10 to 20 minutes. This sends a cortisol pulse to your brain that says, start the timer now. If you do this, you won't need melatonin pills. At 10:30 p.m., your brain will simply shut down. Biology doesn't care about your mood. It cares about light.